Alright guys, so update on the CBR1000RR. We have a problem with a starting where it just starts and it just dies. So we're trying to figure that out now. We are doing just a little maintenance here and there, and we are changing spark plugs. And to do that, basically this is what you have to do. So if you're looking to change spark plugs on your CBR1000, get ready to do a little work, because you do have to remove the tank cover and pull the tank back. You're gonna have to take the air box here, which is you take all of the bolts that are on top of the air box, which are all of these right here, and then this will come off when you take your fuel rail off. Make sure you have something to block it off with, because it will be pouring gas everywhere. And then you have to take your air filter and all of these little bolts off, and they literally just come up and stay there, so you don't worry about loosening them. But get your little hammer and just tap it and twist it, and it'll come right off. Yeah, so that will come off from here, and then there is a cover down here that goes into your air box, which you will have to loosen these cables up, and you can just kind of pry this out to the side. And to get to the coil packs, and I've actually got them off now, one of them right now, so I can just show you. But you do have to take your box back here, and this box right here will lay on top of your coil pack. So before you can do anything else, you will have to get under the bike. And what I did is I took the radiator down, because that gives me access to the box here, like I said, and you can just move it forward, which will give you enough room to work on it and get those spark plugs changed out. I did remove the front to make it a little easier. I don't think you have to. I did it just because it made my life a lot more simpler, and it wasn't but a couple of bolts. So here we are. We have swapped out the ECU. We have swapped out both the rectifier and the stator. I will have to trace this wire here to make sure there's nothing burnt or it's melted shut with anything else. So as you can see, it is pretty damaged from what it had back there. So I'm going to have to get in there and figure that out. We've got the spark plugs in. We're going to start reassembling the bike and go from there, guys. So stay tuned, and if you have any advice for us as to what we can check, give us a little comment on the comment section. Let us know what you think. If you have a CBR1000RR, this is a 2005 model, and if you had any kind of issues, let us know. We might be able to help you out. You might be able to help us out. Yeah, guys, I appreciate the love. Thanks for the subscribers, the new subscribers, and y'all have a good one. Till next time. Alright guys, so update on the bike, CBR1000. We replaced the rectifier, stator, and the spark plugs, and it seems to be doing a lot better, so we're going the right way. It's not doing the best now. It's still misfiring, so we're gonna get to the bottom of that. He did say there was water in the injectors. There was water in the fuel tank, so there could be clogged fuel injectors at this time. I'm not sure. So as you can see, we still have a misfire, and the bike is wanting to idle on its own. It's just once you can hear where it's misfiring and stuff. Sounds terrible, but we are going in the right direction.